Hi, it's Bill Stanton here from Optics Central. Today we're doing an unboxing video of the Diamondback 10x42s. Now 10x42 is priced at about $400 at the moment, and which puts it just a little bit above the entry-level brand. It's not a toy. The Diamondback series has got a number of levels. There's 3 of them. The Crossfire is just below this. It's got about the same pricing point, so we don't actually sell very many of them here. Above this is the Viper. It's quite a step up. It's sort of about double the price, so it's probably not a one we'd be looking for the $400 customer. Now Bushnell has a couple of different binoculars at this level. There's the Bushnell E series and the Bushnell L series. They're about similar. And the Steiner brand is just a little higher at, their competitor is a little bit higher at about $550.
Now the Vortex has a lifetime warranty. It's fairly unusual. It's a no-fault warranty. So if you drop it or break it in any way, you just return it and all you pay is the freight, just as long as you don't damage them deliberately, of course.
All right, let's get inside it. All right, here they are. They've got a nice solid feel to them. They feel very robustly put together. They're fairly nicely balanced in your hand. A fraction maybe a little bit to the front as you're holding them, but it's fairly small. It's not something that you'd find as a problem. But they're good and robust. It feels as though if you bang them against a tree or something like that, they're not going to go out of collimation. The weight of these things is about 600 grams. Which is medium. You don't want it much heavier than that, because particularly for a bird watcher, if you're going to be holding them or having them around your neck all day, more than 600 grams is going to get pretty heavy and it's going to get a bit sore for you. Okay, the next thing is the eye cups on these things. The eye relief on this is 16 millimeters, which is about normal for a set of binoculars like this. The eye cups do come in and out, as you can see. If you're like me, wear a pair of glasses, you wear the eye cups in so you can hold them up to your face. If you don't wear glasses, you wind the eye cups out to get the lenses a little bit further away from your eyes to get the right eye relief. But definitely, if you're wearing glasses like me, you wind them in and you get the full field of vision. The focus knob is in the middle, like most of them are these days. It's knurled, slightly squishy, which is good if you're getting a little bit of rain. These binoculars are waterproof, by the way, so and fog-proof, so they're good for working in the rain, particularly for a bird watcher. In early morning, a bit of moisture, you'll be fine there. The diopter is on the right hand barrel, sorry, and typically what you do is you'd close one eye, get this one adjusted correctly, and then so they're both adjusted for your eyes. Then you use the focus. The last thing about the binoculars themselves is they've got these nice little metal strap loops, which is, look, it's nice to have metal because you don't want to break one of these things when you're out in the middle of nowhere, because then it hits the ground. It's not fun. Okay, let's just put these to one side for a second. Put that over there. Now the case has got a whole pile of things inside it. First of all, the case itself is something which is good for these Diamondbacks. They open up a long way, but they've got these webbing on either side, so it doesn't flop completely open, and but it opens wide enough for you to put things in and out of without having to muck around with it. Let's see, we've got some straps. The smaller strap is for the case. The wider strap, which is made of neoprene, it's just a little bit bouncy there, so it cushions it when you're holding it around your neck. These are the ones for the actual binoculars, and they go through the metal holes. There's eyecups. These are detachable lens covers for the bottom. They go across there. I don't generally use these much because when you're holding them, they'll be going down. So if it's raining, you won't get water on there. What is important though is these eye cups. They sit over the top there and allow you to cover it up when it rains. Otherwise you're going to get drops of water on that, and it's going to muck up your view. Obviously, there's a little lens cleaning cloth. Some information about the warranty and the various different aspects of the binocular. And that's about it, really. It's quite nice. I like them. 10x42. It gives you a lot of magnification. 42 is good light gathering ability, and they're quite a nice pair of binoculars. See ya.